Are you running CPA offers or an affiliate marketing or paid advertising and struggle to understand traffic filtering and clocking? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Cloaking.House, show you how to create an account, and also I'll walk you through the dashboard, explaining the main section and show you what this platform is designed to do. And don't worry, I'll keep everything simple, especially if this is your first time using traffic filtering platform. Hey guys, welcome back to Mubitech Bureau. If you are new here, I cover practical tutorial around online tools, proxy, browser, affiliate marketing, CPA, AI tools, and digital platform. So if this type of content you are interested in, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Now let's get into today's tutorial. So you need to visit this website, Cloaking.House. I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section or also the description. So what is exactly this Cloaking.House? In simple terms, it is a platform built around traffic filtering, around traffic management. It depends on how you configure it. You can work with things like traffic source, landing page, offers, visitors, characteristics, and traffic flows. This can be useful for marketers who need to organize and filter incoming traffic. So now, let's get started. All you need to do, you need to go to this login. So you need to create an account. So from here, I already told you to visit, just check on the comment section, you'll see the link. So you need to tap on the link and also come to this part. Just tap on create an account, then to bring you to this part. All you need to do is just click on where just put your email address, put your password, then put your social handle so that your manager can reach out to you. So I also put your experience. Maybe you have no experience or you're a beginner, just put beginner if you're a beginner. So you can select anyone from here. You understand? You can select anyone, maybe just for finance. You understand? Then click on this boat. Pass the boat. Make sure you pass the boat. Make sure you pass the boat. Just confirm. Then click on agree and create your account. So now once you have successfully registered the account, like me, I already have an account. So all I need to do is just come to this place and log in my existing account. I don't have to create another account again, so I need to pass the boat and just to redirect me. So I just want to check this boat. All right, good. I just need to click on login. So after I've logged in, so it will bring me to this main workspace. You understand? This is the environment where we're going to be talking about now. So, and this is the most interesting part. So, so now next thing you need to do, let me quickly show you around before we start changing things. So here's the workspace. So you will notice several sections here. This first part here, you notice several sections like we have the dashboard news. Dashboard is the main environment that we have. We have news, we have Telegram, we have blogs, we have AI white page, we have workflows, we have filtered lists, we have domains, we have statistics, we also have clicks, we have finance, subscriptions, services and bonus, APIs and referral programs, and so on and so forth. Even if you are just exploring this platform, you can also through the available plan and see the features are included. You can come to this part here and see. So we have the starter plan, which I'm currently on this starter plan. See, my plan will expire when? September 28, 2026, exactly this time. So you can start with low as a beginner. You understand? Just start with what you can afford. You understand? Just start with this. Then when you test it, when you are enjoying it, you understand, you can go to other package. You understand? You can go to other package. When you see that you're enjoying it as a CPA marketer, you can just go to other. So all these features that you see, they are paid features. You understand? So don't assume everything will be available on a free account. So don't expect this one because you might start your 7 days free package. You understand? They might give you a 7 free days. When you visit the website beginning, you see that. You understand? So now, the next thing you need to do as a beginner, my advice is very simple. Understand this platform first before paying for all these features. You understand? So now head you guys to where finance. So this finance part is where you manage your funds. You understand? You can fund any amount. Then whenever your service expires, you can just buy. You can fund from $400. You can even fund below that. You understand? Below the package that you want to buy. You understand? So this is the main part. So we also have statistic parts. Let's go to this statistics. So here's statistic option. So So this part also reveal information about your traffic, you understand, and the activities that you are doing. This is a particularly so when you are trying to understand what's happening with your campaign. You understand, you try to understand it, most especially when your campaign is going. You understand, you should understand better. Also have what? Also have service and bonus. You understand, where you may find also additional options. You understand, you can also see affiliate programs in this place. You understand, there are a lot of offers here. So that's it. So now we head back to where AI white page, because this is the most important place. This place is one of the most important place. So now, so since this place is the interesting part, you understand, this feature can also help us to generate a pre-landing page. Generate. Tap on this generate. You understand. So all you need to do, just come to this place now. You understand. So you can enter the website name. You understand. Maybe the project that you want to do. You can go to this CPA grid. You understand. Come to this CPA grid. Yeah. So just come to offer. You understand. Then select, change the country. You understand, to maybe United States. Maybe your files from United States. You can just click on United States. So let's go there. So the next thing I need to do is to just look for any of the offer that maybe you might be interested, and just maybe tap on it. So the next thing to do, let's just copy this. Just copy this. Go ahead, you can copy anything. You can put anything there. So let's go back. Just put the what? You see, you have already put the white page name. You understand how you want it to be. You understand. So since we have already put this, so the next thing we need to do now is to select our vertical. You can just put finance. Then our model, this model part now is just like this part, and this one is with this one. This one, if you want to promote, maybe you want to promote like apps or anything, you can just select for this, or for page. This one with this one working, and we'll just go for this. Go for the third one, because the third one is more suitable. So now let's go for this theme. So our team can just decide to go for finance. Understand? So now let's go to the language. So the language will depend on how, maybe there's a language for that. Let's see. So there's nothing here. Let's just go back. Just put English, because it's an English country. You understand? It's an English country. US is an English country, so you put what? And don't forget, this offer is allowed only on what? Only on iOS device in United States. Take note of that. Understand? So now the next thing you need to do, just click on this enable advanced settings. Let's see if there's any other. So is there a domain or company or phone number or email address or keywords, anything that you can see from it? If there's nothing like that, you understand, all you need to do, just come here and just leave it, ignore this place and click on generate. So you see, we have already created this thing now. We have already created our AI white page. You understand? So the next thing we need to do, you can just come to this place here and just it's generating now. It's currently generating, and this generator costs $5. You understand? It costs $5 to generate this. So if you know there is no fund in your account, you can't do this. You understand? You can't generate this, so you have to fund it. So let's wait while it's done with the generation. Looking for a reliable residential proxy for your CPA marketing? Meet Node Marvins, a proxy network that offers residential and mobile proxy for your CPA. They require flexible IP location and reliable connection. Whether you are working with affiliate marketing or online test, web automation, or management proxy profile, Node Marvins give you the different proxy option to which from. And if you are looking to try it out, use my promo code GURU35 to get a discount on eligible plan. So you can check out the link in the comment section or description, and do well to use Node Marvins for your CPA self-clicking. Those I love to use to do CPA self-clicking. Here's the best proxy platform for you all. So try Node Marvins. So you can go onto your statistics if you don't know how to use it. Just go on this setting, go on this font, go and also fund your account. When you register, make sure you fund your account. Any amount that you want to start with, you can also start. You understand? The link is in the description. For you to get a discount, make sure you use the link and the promo code together in order for you to get what's your proxy. And also don't forget to watch our other videos on how you can be able to fund this platform and how you'll be able to go about this platform. Alright, let's continue on our video. All right, so we are now done generating our what AI white page. Here you can see it. So this place you can just download it. You can download it if you don't have domain with this platform. Because with this platform you can buy domain and host the website. You understand? You can host the website on it. So here's our domain. Our domain is currently downloading. With this now you can export this. Understand? You just so you can import this now to your file manager, you understand, but you have to unzip it and do the needful as a web designer. You understand what I'm saying. So now you come to where you come to our workflow. Just come to this place, this flow here. Come to this flow. So this place now is where you configure how income traffic is handled. You understand? So it's just where you configure how incoming traffic is handled. So traffic comes in the system and check the traffic. The visitor redirects according to your configuration in this place, and here you see a field for things like your landing page, offer page, or different traffic condition. For example, you may have settings related to countries, device type, operating system, browser, or other visitors characteristics. You can use these settings for legitimate traffic segmentation and campaign targeting. So if you are targeting a particular country, you can specify that country. If your campaign is designed to specify for mobile user, you can select mobile device. Otherwise, you can keep the target broad. So just click on this place. So, and again, don't use these settings to misrepresent your website or show an advertisement platform something different from what you are actually promoting. Make sure you set up following. Make sure you are doing the reset up. So now, this part now, what we need to do, let me see. Okay, let's see what you need to do. Just come to this place. You can just copy the name, maybe the name of the campaign you are running, the name that we did the other time. You can copy this like this. Just copy this and come here, you understand? So all you need to do now, just come here and put the name and paste it. So white page, this place now you can put sites.html. You understand? Just leave it sites.html. So you need to come here and copy what? Copy your link. That's your offer link. You understand? Copy it. Come to this place here. So come here and paste it. So enable this load. Just leave this loading. Just leave it to be on this loading. So now this part now you need to come here. Just check, or you can just click on this redirect option. Then you click on the workflow. So now this is the most important aspect. Again, another second most important aspect. You see this clocking. This is where the works is. This is where the real cocoa security is in this platform, and this is where is really securing your account. Honestly, this place like this. So you need to leave all this tab active because of irrelevant users or bots. Just leave these ones active. This is where the service is really everything is really working well in this place. You need to keep this place live. So you can also just come to this place and just put like maybe just put like 1 IP per day and number of click before filtering. Just leave it 0. You understand? So it will remain inactive. You understand? So put 0. Just leave it 0. So now let's go to where our country, that's the target country. So the next thing you need to do, just click select United States. Reason why we are selecting United States, don't forget our offer is where United States only. You can see it. Your offer is United States only. That is why we are selecting United States here. So, and the device they said is what? iOS, only iOS. This one now is iOS. Just come here and select what? Mobile phones. Let's see, device type, mobile phone. So the operating system is what? You know your operating system, which is iOS. You can see it. iOS, which is Apple iOS. So with browser, these aspects that they said browser, you can just come here and just select all, you understand. So the next one now that we need to do is to just experts. These ones are for experts. Just click on save. That's all. So now we have already created our stream. So this part, you can just leave this part. You can leave this part. You don't need this part. Just leave it. Let's save this. This part now, this offer that you see is inactive. So what I need to do, I need to come here and make it active. Let me go. They are all inactive now. This status is inactive, so I need to like keep it active. You understand? So I need to check which offer is that again. Walmart. Okay, Walmart. So I'll go and just trigger it and start. So when you keep it now, this shows everything now. You will start seeing everything in this featured list. You understand? You start seeing all the activity. When people start visiting it, you start seeing all the activities here. All the performance, you'll be monitoring it. If it's US link, if somebody click it from US, you should be able to code it that okay, it's from US. If it's from any country, be seeing it, then the real one will be converting. The real traffic, which is from US now, will start converting. You understand? So this part, this workflow now, when you're done like this, you need to download it. When you download it, you need to download it. So download it, index.php. So when you're done downloading it, you also upload it to where? To your file manager. You understand? You can upload it to your file manager. Go to your file manager to do that. You understand? Go to your file manager to do the rest of the updates. You understand? So and also if you have what, you can also get domain. You can also get the domain from them. You understand? Like I told you from the beginning, you can also get domain from them. You understand? So here are the options. Here's where you can add your domain. You understand? If you have domain, you can add domain. If you want to buy domain, you can also buy domain. You understand? You can also buy domain, which is just $10. You can get domain from $10. I think that is all. So to make this service even more affordable for you guys, what's the subscription aspect? I'm giving 30% for those that want to buy this. Make sure you use the link. And also the discounts, discount code I'll be dropping in the comment section or description. I'll call it the promo code is Mubitech. I'll be typing it, and also so that is all for today. So if you find this video very helpful, do well to like the video, subscribe, help us to subscribe so that it will get to other viewers. You understand? To get to other users who are very interested in something like this, because they keep banning your accounts, keep banning your ads account, keep banning your CPA account just because of traffic, unnecessary bad traffic from somewhere. You understand? But at least you will be able to source for real people. You understand? So that's all for today. See you guys in my next video.